Hey, this is Squid with Squid's Mobile Repair. We are heading up to go do a starter wiring on a starter that a gentleman had put on a 1999 Ford Ranger. Apparently he broke the wires, signal wire, something like that. We'll find out what's going on once we get up there. I'll get back with you. Well, almost at the job, and this is what I run into. Hey, this is gonna be fun. Well, now that we got that all cleared, that one was heavy to move. Holy crap. But we're gonna find the place down this road and get to the vehicle. Man, like I said, that was heavy. I'm out of breath already this morning. So here's where we installed the new connector for the signal wire for the starter. Well, we got the job done. It's just had to put a new connector on the signal wire for the starter. Really easy job. The hardest part was moving that tree, and which was fun. I know I didn't get the video of me doing it and all that, but I took maybe some pretty pictures that I showed in the video. Right now I'm heading to the parts store to go get another part for another vehicle. And see y'all later. Hope you have a good day.